let me mute your mics, please. Thank you. Let me overview today what we are planning. Schedule should be very clear. No hurry up. Okay. Let us understand what we are planning to discuss and what we discuss in the classes, what approach we follow. All the things I'll be clarifying you guys before we enter into Selenium classes. No hurry up. Okay. Especially who joined for Selenium. First, we'll have Selenium classes for 30 days. After completion of Selenium classes, as we promised newcomers who joined for Selenium, I'll be starting a project for you guys. We are going to start live project and we are going to create frameworks on that project. Okay. So that we get awareness like how you work, because see, many people learning course here. I'm observing since from my 17 years of experience. This is not my first year or second year. Since from 17 years, I was in the same field: manual, Selenium, QTP, load runner, Silic test, rational robot. We worked on different tools. I worked on different tools. Many people are learning the course, but what they're doing is once they go to interview, where they're getting lagging is framework. When they question framework, people are struggling there. They're learning concepts. What is WebDriver? What is that? What is this? Okay, good. But when they come to framework, questions on framework, they're lagging. They're not up to the mark. They're not expectation of the interviewer. You're not able to reach that expectation of interviewer. So there you are facing a lot of issues, right? That's what we planned, especially again, what we are doing previously. We are taking classes for them. Again, we are taking new batch. Again, we are conducting one live project. Instead of that, in the course itself, along with the course, we are discussing a project. That project is called Stock Accounting ERP. We are going to work on this project here. Frameworks, hybrid framework, data-driven framework, Cucumber. Cucumber also will be discussed. Page object model, POM, page object model. Everything will go against this application. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning Application. Not Gmail, not Facebook and all that. We are going to work on this project. Here I'm going to discuss 3-4 modules. Okay, so that you get clarity how you construct one framework, how you test one project in real scenarios also. It makes sense to all of you guys. So need not worry about that. Okay, so that you get overall experience and you can easily explain to interviewer about your frameworks, especially from most of the questions, any interview go, the first question they'll ask you, what is your framework? Can you explain the framework? What are your involvement in that framework? Which framework we use for that project? Why use this framework? Why you go with that? Why can't we go with this? This kind of questions you may expect from interviewer. Apart from general questions, apart from WebDriver questions, test engine questions, vagera, vagera. So high level we can learn. So no need to worry about that project. Leave to me. Leave the course to me here. I will help you in all aspects. Need not worry about that. Okay. This is what the first thing you have to learn. Okay. Now here, next thing is when coming to Selenium classes, like Selenium means it's not like manual testing. Who are already learned manual people. Manual is a theoretical part. We can easily understand. But coming to Selenium, it's also very simple. But people, by looking some scripts, they're fearing, oh my God, my friend told me we don't have any coding. People are calling coding. Don't call code. We don't write any code here, please. Automation team, you don't write any code. You write test scripts. Manual testing, we write test cases. Automation means we write test scripts. Never say coding. Coding is different. Script is different. Coding is server-side code. We don't write server-side code. Suppose we learn one project here. Already we learned one project, Primus Bank. I want to test this login functionality means I don't write any Java code for this. I write Selenium script only. Manually, what you did manually, enter username, enter password, click login button, you're observing yourself, right? Now, you are taking help of one third-party tool. With help of that third-party tool, you're developing script for these 3 elements. After developing the script for the 3 elements in Selenium, If anything necessary logics, then we are using core Java logics for that. Core Java logics. Say for example, I want to execute this login functionality in Selenium for 20 times, for example. We can't keep on running 20 times, run, right? Take a loop, for loop, while loop, do while, for each loop. Implement the loop. So looping is not a Selenium script. Looping is a core JavaScript. Means coding point of view. Logics, we apply logics. That's it. So automation is similar to Selenium. Selenium is nothing but manual. But we take help of some third-party tool and we give everything to our tool. What we need to test, what we need to validate. We're explaining everything in tool, and without your interaction, when you click run icon, need not stay in front of the system. Manual testing means what? You should stay in front of the system. Your observation is required. For automation, observation is not required. Go anywhere and come back. Click run. Go to cafeteria. Chit chat with the people and come back. Because tool will execute. It will compare your given expected and actual values and use outputs to you. Come and analyze results. So that is called automation point of view. So using Selenium means also Selenium tool. What is Selenium tool means? It is a functional testing tool. Manually, what is functional testing manually? Giving inputs, checking the outputs. Am I right or not? Manual testing functional. Same thing using Selenium tool also. We are providing inputs to Selenium. What inputs you should provide? You are asking Selenium to give that inputs and you are validating the outputs. Suppose I am logging with valid username and valid password here. In the next page, I want verify welcome admin text is displayed or not. I just want to verify this. You want to verify, write a condition for this, if condition, true or false. So automation is it's very more interesting here when you compare to manual. Manual boring. What is there? Every time enter username, enter. Say every version we go like this. Automation, somewhat like logics, we apply some logics, it will be more interesting. And one more thing, if you practice more and more, you'll become expertise in automation. Excuse me.
Sir, good evening, sir. This is Avinash over here.
Sorry?
Sir, this is Avinash over here, sir. Sir, I have a small doubt. As you said, like we will be writing scripts, that is testing scripts will be writing. Sir, for this, you told that you'll be using a lot of Java coding fundamentals.
That's what I'm saying here. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir. Do we need to be very expert in the Java core Java fundamentals?
See, generally, this is one of the basic question everyone is asking me, sir. We are very weak in core Java. We are not that much expertise in Java. Some people might have learned some core Java basics. Some people were very new to this. Don't worry. I will take some sessions on core Java also. Before we enter into Selenium classes, whatever required to Selenium, I will complete the topics, then only I'll enter into Selenium. So that makes sense to you and to me also. If I directly first classes, we go for Selenium classes, you cannot do that. I know. That's what. Don't worry, guys. Who are not having Java knowledge also, we will share that Java knowledge. I will share that Java knowledge also to you before we enter into Selenium classes. That's what I'm planning. I'll explain you now what we are planning and all that. In that you will get everything. Okay, Avinash, I'll explain you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. See here. Okay. So see what we have to learn in Selenium. You might have seen different things in websites also, right? So these things to be learned, that things to be learned. A lot of confusion you may have. Let me give you that. Let me overcome that confusion and let me clarify that confusion. Selenium, main topic in Selenium is WebDriver. This is a main topic. Every project, Java project, .NET project, sales project, ERP projects, any mobile project, Cucumber, anything, we have to automate with help of WebDriver. Using this WebDriver, only we are going to automate your projects. But by learning WebDriver, only learning WebDriver, you can't survive in the market. And you can't survive in interview point of view also by learning only WebDriver. Because WebDriver has a lot of drawbacks. It supports only web application. That's it. Any web application we can automate using WebDriver here. Anything we open via browser, it supports. Of course, any HTML page we can automate using WebDriver. But apart from that, very important point we should know here. Lot of drawbacks we have. That's what here, after learning some part of WebDriver, 15 classes will take for WebDriver classes, lot of topics in WebDriver. After learning this WebDriver, then we'll focus on very interesting tool, third-party tools. Third-party tools. Why we go with these third-party tools? Why you want to learn these third-party tools? To overcome the drawbacks. The first drawback in Selenium is, worst drawback, we never have any other tool. That worst drawback is Selenium doesn't have built-in commands for generating HTML reports. Look at that, HTML reports. Reports are very important. Just now in Jira class I shown you reports, right? We're able to generate reports in Jira class. Yes or no? Because it's giving clarity for us. But Selenium is not having that facility. Your client he wants reports, what you have done for the day. Your leader wants that report. It won't generate. For that, we are going to learn some third party tool. The first tool is very important tool is TestNG. Some people call it TestNG framework. Yes, of course, we call framework, but not actual framework. Actual framework is different. TestNG. NG stands for next generation. Please, I'm not going to course today. I'm explaining all the topics. Don't confuse. What is TestNG, sir? What? Don't worry. I will explain you. It's my responsibility to explain the contents what we're planning. That's very important. You should know who are joining newly. They have some they have some kind of questions or what you will be teaching this or not, that or not. That's what I'm giving clarity in all that. TestNG is one of the very good third-party plugin which can use for reporting purpose, HTML reporting, very clear reports. It gives detailed reports we can get. Not only for reporting purpose, lot of advantage it has, lot of features it has. Very good features it has, which we can overcome in WebDriver, which we don't find in WebDriver. We're able to overcome them in TestNG. And before TestNG, you know, some people knows that there is one more tool called JUnit. There is one more tool called JUnit. Why I'm not telling JUnit, why I'm talking more about TestNG means, remember all of you, TestNG derived from JUnit. Derived from JUnit. What are the features we have in JUnit? Those features have been added in TestNG. But apart from that, it added with some advanced features also. They added some advanced features compared to JUnit. Then why JUnit here? That's what. If anyone asking you JUnit, I think but TestNG. Tell them we are going with advanced tool, TestNG, no more JUnit. Okay, na? So that is very important tool we have to learn. Very interesting tool and very important topics we have to learn in TestNG. We'll discuss once we go to course level. Yes. You're able to, can you hear me guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
We can hear you
Yes.
clearly, sir.
Okay, okay. Somebody chatted me. Any question you have?
Sir, we don't have.
No one. 1 second here. 1 second. Beanland, 1 second. Yeah, Nitish will come to your point. Yeah, Nitish. N unit, TestNG, J unit. Remember all of you guys. Whenever you are working with Selenium with Java, people should go with TestNG or J unit. Selenium with C sharp. Selenium with C sharp. People who is going to work with Selenium with C sharp, those people for reporting purpose, they use N unit. So N unit is not considered here. Don't worry. N unit is for C sharp, Selenium with C sharp people. Okay. Yeah. Next. Next thing is, see, very interesting tool we have. And worst drawback, one more drawback in test Selenium here. Selenium will not support any desktop components, window-based applications, window-based. Because Selenium purely supports only web application, only HTML things we can test using Selenium. But coming to window-based means desktop. Desktop in the sense, like say, sometimes you want to upload some files, you want to download some files. Uploading, downloading. Is it possible with a browser? No, right? So there we have to go with some Windows component. So to perform those activities in some cases, if we have that possibilities, then we are going to learn auto it. Auto it. One of the tool, open source tool in the market. We can using this tool, we can overcome that window base. When you want to upload files, when you want download files. Here if possible, I'll discuss robot also. Robot class in Java. Robot is also available. We can go with robot also. Using robot also, we can do this kind of activities. Okay, that also very important. I'll discuss. Next, many people in real scenarios in a framework, especially framework classes, they want detailed report here. Detailed report. How many test cases are passed? How many test cases are failed? Which test case got failed? Which test case got passed? Which step got passed? Which step got failed? They want detailed report. And reporting, already I told you, in reporting is not possible in Selenium. That's the reason we are taking help of TestNG for that. But TestNG is also not providing in detailed reports. That's one of the worst drawback again we have in TestNG. I want detailed HTML report, pie chart report, graph report, graphical representations. So then we have to learn very important reports are called in Selenium. We call extent reports. Extents reports, we call them advanced report. Advanced report. Don't worry, I'll discuss all this. I'm just discussing the topics what you're planning. These are very important. For every test case, we have to maintain advanced report so that we get clarity which test case got failed after execution. Because during execution, you're not involving. Am I right or not? You are not being in front of the system, right? Manual testing means you are being in front of the system. You know how many pass, how many fail. But you are not testing it now. Selenium is going to test. So we don't know how many will fail, how many will pass. Then generate report very easily. That I'll show you how to generate that reports. Very interesting point. Next, there is one more reporting tool we use, log4j. Log4j also. Log4j is also very interesting tool we have in Selenium. How to generate report, I'll show you. And worst problem in Selenium. Nowadays, I think you might have heard in market. Selenium, remember all of you, Selenium means jar files here, a lot of jar files. We use lot of jar files for compatibility purpose. That jar files versions will not be stable all the time. They won't be stable. Every weekly ones, they go on changing. They go on changing. And remember, in real time, to one project, you may use hundreds of jar files. Hundreds of jar files. Remember, hundreds of jar files. How to manage them? Every weekly ones, when jar files are changing, it makes headache for us, right? Lot of headache. You face lot of headache. Every time downloading, removing, adding, downloading, removing, adding. One fellow, okay. 2-3 members working in a company, one on one project. It's very difficult to manage. That is also one of the drawback we have. For that, we are learning very interesting tool that is called Maven. Nowadays, most of the projects are going with Maven here. Okay, compulsory we have to learn Maven. 100% I'll give you, not simply installation only, lot of things we have to learn in Maven. I'll discuss complete Maven. Maven advantage is we can manage your jar files. Jar, don't confuse. Jar means I'll tell you. Jar files. Remember, jar files. Lot of jar files you'll be using in your Selenium classes. To manage them, we can take help of Maven. Not only that, we can integrate your Maven test case. One more tool, very interesting tool, very important tool also, Jenkins. We can integrate your Maven test cases in Jenkins. See, running in your system is always local. Am I right? Running in your system is always local. If I want to run in remote access, then we have to take help of this Jenkins tool. Jenkins advantage is we can schedule your execution in Jenkins. At what time you want to execute, we can schedule it. We can run test engine test cases in Jenkins. We can run Maven test cases in Jenkins. We can run Java test cases in Jenkins. We can hand over to client-side fellows also remote access. We can provide them so that they can execute from their side. So that advantages we have. So how to configure, very interesting, and we'll discuss very clearly. Don't worry. Next, every day you are coming to office, you're writing your test scripts here. Where you store them generally? Suppose 3 members are working in a company here. 3 ABC is working. Whatever updations you have done, B should know, C should know. And what B is doing, A should know and C should know. What C is doing, A and B should know. Whatever, whenever they modify. Then how do you, local system, I can't share system, I can't share system to people. Then what to use generally in that situations?
Sir, we use a repository called GitHub.
Exactly. We have to go with help of GitHub. So I will show you how to use GitHub. GitHub is a central repository where every tester can manage their scripts, their projects, everything. It's like a Jenkins, it's like a Jira tool, what we discussed for manual testing. Remember today, manual people. Today we discussed Jira. It's like a tool, right? We manage every test case, right? Same thing. GitHub is for Selenium. It's a repository where we can manage all your scripts. If you update, today I'm doing some modification in the code, upload to GitHub. Everyone can come into picturization and they'll understand what modification have been done. So GitHub is also very much important. We'll discuss how to run in GitHub scripts in Jenkins and all that. And apart from this concepts, coming to frameworks, I told you already, all of you guys, frameworks we are implementing on ERP project, not Gmail, all this. I'm going to work on implementing on ERP project. Very interesting framework. I'll discuss hybrid. Hybrid is nowadays most of the companies are going with hybrid. So here we'll implement by using hybrid framework. And also we'll work with the data-driven framework. And also we work with the keyword if possible we required. Because keyword also is important, keyword-driven framework. And also we'll learn extra topic I'm adding for you guys, Cucumber framework. Cucumber framework, that is called BDD, behavioral driven development. Okay, so I'll implement Cucumber also for you. And apart from this, we'll be going with the POM, very important nowadays, page object model. So look at these topics here, very simple, right? By looking you feel, oh, this is only Selenium. But once we go inside them, we have to learn different ways, different scriptings, different examples with different examples. I don't go with simple examples, don't worry. And you guys, all of you, all together should work cooperatively, please. I'm expecting everyone will work out. Okay, na? So that it makes sense to us. Like see how you learn manual testing, same way. If you see 2-3 days, you will feel some problems. Later on, you'll become competent. It's like see, learning automation is like learning driving classes here, first time, car driving. Yes or no? You're learning, once you know logics in the car, forever it will be with you, right? Every day we learning. When you purchase new car, will go for learning? No, not required. Same logic will be applied. That's what, if you learn perfectly one time, you can implement on any project with the same logics, but some modifications we'll be doing and we'll implement it. So that way, if you learn, then only it makes sense to all of us. Okay, guys? Am I clear to all of you? Inside WebDriver, lot of topics. I'm not this, lot of topics we have. Okay, we'll go beyond the content what we gave you here. Don't worry, believe me. I will. It's not my first class or second class. Okay, especially newcomers who joined for Selenium. It's not my first class, second class. Since from 15, 17 years, we are in the same field. Okay, with lot of people settle their life, and this project is very important to all of you. While whoever joining, especially for this, I'll be sharing this project to all of you guys so that you can work from your systems. No need to install nothing. We'll directly share to you. Okay, and you can directly work on this project also at the same time. I'll show different modules how to work with supplier. At least two, if you take three, four modules. Okay, table concepts we have. We'll work on table concepts using this project. Okay, we can verify it. So a lot of things we can learn that makes sense to all of us. Okay, guys. So that's what we are planning in the entire testing course. Along with this, remember all of you, along with this, I'll be discussing core Java, whichever required to Selenium. How many people are awareness in core Java? All are experts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Basic knowledge is there.
Yes, yes, Nitish, that's what I told you. We'll cover Google Drive, huh? Excel only, not Google Drive. No Google Drive here.
And we don't have any basic knowledge as well in the core Java. So
Sure. I know. Many people. Don't worry. That's what I'm telling you guys. We'll take some extra classes and we'll learn. I'll make that comfortable to you. Don't worry. Okay. Need not worry about subject here. Forget about subject. Come to classes regularly. Huh? Some people they'll join initially. End of the sessions when we discuss framework classes, they're missing that concepts, and you're wasting your time. Please don't waste your time and don't waste your money here. Please, I'm requesting all of you, be regular. It takes some time. See, when you learn first time, it'll take some time to learn here. I don't say first class, second class, you'll get complete subject in Selenium and all that. No, by working through hard working, huh? If daily practicing. Yeah, because of Corona, you learned that compulsory no way of going outside. This also, Corona is also one of the reason. Okay, to stay in a house. Okay, so this is the best time to learn here. Anyway, after 2 months, we'll be relieving again. Don't worry, vaccines are coming to market. Before that, let us get ready. Get ready with all the concepts. Why you that course, this that institute, this everywhere, anywhere you go. Some people are charging 20,000. I don't know why they are charging that much. So we are not looking for money, please. I'm not looking for money. My concept is giving complete subject is my concept. So believe me, I will work out with all the concepts, and your cooperation is also very much important for me. So that we'll work out step by step. Okay, guys. Any concern in these topics? You can ask me questions, please.
Actually, I don't have testing background, so I don't know manual testing. Can I go with this?
Who is that? Arish.
This is Panikumar.
Manikumar. Panikumar. See, especially, yeah, many people have this question, sir. Can I learn automation directly without manual testing? Manual concepts are different. Automation different here. It's not linked with any manual. You may have at least basic idea about SDLCs, right? That's enough. No need to learn about manual. Without manual, you can learn directly Selenium because that's separate department. This is separate department. Real time, once you get into a company, they don't assign you manual plus automation. No, you can work any one, either manual testing or automation. So no restriction. Anybody can learn without any manual knowledge. Also, you can learn Selenium. No restrictions. Don't worry, Pani.
Okay, thank you.
Sirisha, you can communicate to Mr. Narendra regarding this accounting project, Sirisha.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, I'm Simonoj. I'm a fresher, sir. I don't have basic knowledge in Java, but I have basic knowledge in C and Python. Is it helpful for this?
Enough. C language, Python language, looping statements, for loop, if can, everything common again here. Only syntax will change. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That works. Size PT, how to automate web applications. Yes, using Selenium will
Yes.
automate. Ma? Using web applications, Selenium tool. Using Selenium tool, we can automate any web applications. Selenium
No,
supports.
no. Actually, it is a typo. Is it possible to automate Windows-based applications?
That's what I told you, ma.
Yeah.
Not supporting.
How-
So that we are taking some third-party tool like R2it robot classes for that.
Okay. Okay. Using AutoIt, we can automate
Yes.
Windows-based applications, right?
Desktop components, keystrokes, mouse overs, uploading file, downloading file. Not that, but we'll discuss how to automate.
Yeah.
If any
Okay.
possibilities are there, we can do it. No worries. But nowadays, everything is www, right? Everything nowadays in the market. Everything is
I'm-
www. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm having experience in manual testing,
Okay.
2.10 years,
Okay.
and mine is like automating Windows-based applications.
Yeah. We'll take help of this AutoIt for that.
Okay. Okay,
Good.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. Somebody asked a question. Okay. So that's what we are planning here. Don't worry. So today we are not discuss. We are not enter into Selenium. I'll give present. And one more, whoever newly joined people, I'll pick up your email IDs. All of you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Himani, are you providing stock accounting project at end of or now, sir? Once I get into that project, I'll hand out to you. Yeah. Nothing in this.
Okay. Yeah, okay. And this is the link for Selenium also, sir.
Which one, ma?
I'm a student from. This is the only Zoom ID for Selenium also, right?
Yes. Every day we can go with
Okay.
this Zoom ID.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Wait, Shirisha, we'll have some other sessions for that. Wait, don't worry. Okay, we'll hand out to you project, everything here. Don't worry, frameworks I'll hand out to you. It will be, you can use for 1 to 2 years also, no problem. No restrictions from our side. We don't disable that project. You get perfectness. That's what we want from you guys. Okay, na? So nothing today. Tomorrow we'll count from tomorrow. From tomorrow we'll start. I'll introduce all the concepts like I prepared, and I'll pick up your email IDs here especially. And everyday code I'll keep on sending to your mails, and whatever documents required for Selenium, I'll keep on forwarding you to your mails. Okay. I'll discuss how Selenium will process automation process going on, and basic things we should know how Selenium tool, what advantage we have, what disadvantage we have with that, what benefits we have, what are tools we have in Selenium, what it supports. Some basic discussion, we'll have some discussion here. Then we'll start configuration, how to very simple configuration. All of you have laptops, I think, right? All of you. So no issue. I'll show you how to configure, how to install them. Very simple configuration. We don't want huge configuration like QTP. Everything, Nitish, you'll get recording, everyday class recording will forward you. Every day we'll send you Google Drive. Okay, our Narendra and Mr. Venkat, they are taking care of it. You'll get it every day. Don't worry.
So from when this class will going to start?
Which one, ma?
Selenium.
Yeah, we are going to start from today. Just demo. We are introducing each other, getting introduction each other. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to enter into the topics. I'll just introduce. That's what I told you. We'll start introduction tomorrow. Don't worry.
Sir, when will we give you the email ID, sir? Now in the chat option or?
No. Narendra will, once you are, he'll take care of. He'll send me the mails and I'll forward to you. Don't worry. By Monday, most probably by Monday, we get your email IDs. Don't worry. We have class by tomorrow also. We have class by tomorrow. Please don't go away.
At what time, sir?
Same timing, 7 o'clock, 7 to 8.
So tomorrow we'll start from Java, sir.
No, my introduction will start introduction, not directly if I can't go to introduction. First introduction I have to explain, kada? introduction, everything. I'll explain you. First, get awareness in the tool, then we'll enter Java, everything. Don't worry. Every day we'll have 1.5 hour. I'm planning for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, not 1 hour, 1.5 hour, so that we can push up.
Sir, as you told, sir, Avinash speaking, as you told, this framework is very important, and normally interviewers ask questions from the framework. So, sir, as you'll be teaching it at the end of the session. So, before knowing the framework, we have to know all the like tools like testing, auto IT.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. First, before we enter into framework classes, we have to learn all the topics in Selenium. Then only we'll implement all these things in framework again.
Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, don't worry. I'll take care of you. Okay, guys. So get ready tomorrow.
Are you providing any materials?
Sure, ma. Everyday topics I'll keep on sending to your emails. Whatever topics I'm taking, whatever things I'm showing. No need of going any writing notes here. Every notes I'll forward to you. Everyday notes. Huh? If you go with one topic, I'll send that notes next day itself. Don't worry. Everything. I'm preparing separate notes also for that. Once it's get training ready, I'll forward to all of you. I'll share that to all of you.
Sir, how many days this class, sir?
45 days. I mean, 30 days we have to go for this. And 50 days we have to go for project.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Because project implementation takes long time. That's what.
Okay, sir.
Let's take 5 more extra days also not a problem here. Any problem? Learn? Nothing wrong. Nothing. Some people asking, sir, complete within 10 days. Yes, within 2 days also will complete. No use. There are some institute who can complete within 1 week also. Don't learn fast when you're first learning. Learn every topic smoothly. Then only we'll get awareness.
Sir?
Yes.
After completion of Selenium course, we are focusing on stock accounting project, like 15 days.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, that is completely on Selenium based or manual and Selenium based? Sir?
No manual, ma. Only Selenium.
Okay.
Only Selenium. No manual.
Okay, fine.
And before that, before 5 days back, before 5 days before, I'll send you the documents of that project. You can study that project also. You can get awareness. What is test plan and what are the ESRs, FRS documentation. You can, for your understanding, I'll send the documents to you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I contact with that management person. They said that this class will start from 17th August. Is it right?
17th, ma. Today only we started. Today is the first class. From Monday, you mean to say Monday?
Yeah.
No. They said to have a class by tomorrow also. Just introduction class we'll have tomorrow. Don't worry.
Okay.
Any weekends tomorrow? No. Even though weekends you can't go anywhere here. You'll be staying home only, right? No chance going to shopping malls. No chance going to any movies. Nothing.
Yes.
All are blocked. From 6 months we are looking at our house walls and all that. That's it. Nothing more. Okay. So please stay here by tomorrow at 7 o'clock. All of you. I'll introduce everything and we'll start from Monday. We'll configuration everything smoothly, slowly. We'll go ahead. No problem. Any more questions you have? You can ask me, please.
Hi, sir. Can I ask a question?
Yes, ask me here.
Yeah, this is Uday here.
Yeah, Uday.
See, we are generating the reports by using TestNG tool now. So, for detailed reports, we are using extend reports.
Yes.
So, what is the use of TestNG? Is that we can use directly extend reports?
Extend reports only provides reports here. But TestNG provides other than reports. It has some other features.
Okay.
For that purpose, like parameterizing, running by XML file, running multiple classes, creating methods, that we won't get in report. Extend reports. Extend reports only for reporting. TestNG reports plus some features it has. That's the reason we have to go with both.
So which will be the detailed version?
Detailed is reporting point of view, extends reports only.
Okay.
TestNG compulsory should not TestNG. Why? Because TestNG other than reports, it has some other features. That's what I'm telling.
Oh, okay.
You have to learn that also. Compulsory.
Sir, your teaching method is so good, man, sir.
Sorry?
Your teaching method is so good.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Don't worry, Avinash. We'll take care of you.
Sir?
Yeah.
We are practicing on stock accounting project. So that project we can put it on resume as well, sir.
This is a main question.
Yes,
See,
sir.
these projects you can put up, but if everyone shows the same project, they can understand. If they ask you client, what you will say? QH, you can't say QH, right? See, this is the main question, everyone. So remember one thing, all of you, especially testing department, don't worry about projects because we're very good. We are lucky compared to developers. Why we are lucky means any development project we can put to testing here. If your friend working on Java or .NET, take that project, copy same description, paste to testing resume. Take some explanation from him and start attending interview. Because every development project should be tested compulsory. Got my point, all of you? So that's a good advantage for a tester, especially. No need to search for projects, especially in the market. Any development, your friend already prepared one Java resume with five projects. Take the same projects, but don't copy the responsibilities. Don't copy his responsibilities. So that way we can put up the resume. Don't worry. This is for knowledge purpose we are learning to get idea how you automate one project. Okay, Sirisha?
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we have any placement assistant after the course?
Yeah, that's what you can communicate with Narendra HR, our HR. He will be, he's taking part of those part here, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
He's about to look onto these issues because we are busy with this and he is busy with that.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow. We'll have introduction and we'll discuss every introduction and then we'll start configuration step by step and we'll proceed further. No hurry up here. Any more questions you have?
No, sir. We are good. Thank you.
Right? All of you okay with the timing and all newcomers who joined for Selenium? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. I will take care of you. Don't worry. Come to classes regularly and we'll work out every day. Don't worry.
So
Okay.
from tomorrow onwards, 1.5 hours, sir, class.
Yeah, tomorrow, Monday onwards, we'll have 1.5 hour. Tomorrow, we'll have 1 hour class. Monday onwards, we'll have continuously 1.5 hour. Don't worry. Okay, na?
Okay.
And even on
Okay.
Sundays, we are having classes.
No, man, no Sunday. Leave us 1 day gap here. Huh?
So only from Monday to Saturday.
Monday to Saturday, we'll have maximum. And leave Sunday for us here, at least 1 day. Let us relax or throat and all. Don't worry. If possible, if anything recommend, we'll have. No problem. I'm ready. I'm ready to take any day here. You should be, you should attend. I'm ready to take even Sundays also. If you're okay, we can take. No problem. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye.